Hi, my name is Anita Savoie and I'm a realtor in Moncton, New-Brunswick. Today I want to talk to you, the buyers, and I want to go through an important step on when you're going to buy your home. Then one of the steps is to prepare a financial plan, okay? Then you could be a first buyer, also a buyer that bought 10 or 15 houses. You could also be a retired couple, or maybe you are a parent that tried to buy a home for their kids, or maybe the kid are asking their parent to help them buying a home. But for all of you there, I have some answer, okay? Then there's a few steps, and I will do a few videos for that to help you to understand all of those steps. Then the first thing that some rules and some expert will say about buying a home is that you should never exceed 2.5 times your salary when you purchase your home, okay? Then what we're going to talk today is a subject that is kind of difficult sometimes to discuss with somebody else, okay? We're going to talk about budget. Then we're going to have two videos on this one. We're going to have the budget that you have today, your expense and your revenue, because there's two things when you are doing a budget, okay? Expense and revenue. Then today we're going to try to go through your expense as per today, and in another video it will be the cost to buy a home, okay? Then it's really important to look at your salary, at your revenue, and part of it is your salary. Maybe you have bonus also, maybe you have child support or a return from the income tax. But no matter where your money is coming from, it could be from investment or something else, then you need to be able to do an analysis on your revenue, first thing. And then you have your expense, okay? And with your expense and your revenue, that's where the bank will be able to make a ratio and be able to pass you money for a mortgage. Then your expense could be your student loan, okay? It could also be your car, if you have one or two cars, maybe more. The repair, okay? The gas, the insurance, all of the expense of your car, you should put that on a paper, okay? And then you also have the grocery, the electricity, the cell phone or the phone, and the internet. And if you are still at mom and dad houses and you're still living with them, you may not have the grocery, the internet, okay, and also the electricity expense. Then you will need to add those one when you're gonna have your own home, okay? And then you will also have to check at your credit card. If you have also a credit line, you need to check that. And then the place that sometimes it's difficult to cut is on your hobbies, your activities, okay? If you're the kind of person that have a lot of friends and are going out to restaurants, theaters, that you are traveling, okay, then all of those expenses, okay, need to be added to your expense, because at the end of the day you want a real picture of your revenue and your expense. You don't want to lie to yourself, okay? You want to be true. If you spend $300 a month on your clothes, then you put $300 a month on your clothes. And for you guys, if you spend $300 a month on your car or maybe in tools, you need to put that in, okay? It's really important. Then you will have to do a plan. You will have to maybe quit a few of your activity to have a home, or to pay a credit card before you will be able to have a home, okay? Then you will need to look at this closely. Then you also may renting an apartment right now, then that is another expense. But this will be replaced by the mortgage, okay? Then you will have, if you have a home, what will be added to your expense will be your mortgage, also maintaining the house that you will buy, okay? Insurance for your house, the property tax, the water and sewer if you live in town, and also you may need some furniture, dishes or item that you don't have because you are a first buyer, or maybe you were in an apartment and you bought a home with a basement. Then by having a basement you don't have enough furniture to put furniture in all of the room of the house. Then this need to be put on a paper, and you need to have a plan on how you're gonna buy those items and when you're gonna buy those items. You really need to have a true budget, okay, with all of the items that I put there. And the easy thing to do with this video is that you can stop at any time, rewind, and just listen it back and write all of what I put down. I probably forget a few of the expense, but you know your budget, you know what is your expense, and if you don't know it, then just look at your debit account and also on your credit card, and you will find where your money is going. Then after that, I hope you will be able to take a decision if it's the right time to buy a home or not. You know, sometimes I'm feeling that I don't want you to buy a home, you know. I'm feeling that I'm not helping myself because I may not have a buyer soon, you know. But the goal here is to make sure that you will be happy and you will have some food in the fridge after you will buy your home. My name is Anita Savoie. I'm working for RE/MAX Quality Real Estate Inc. in Moncton, New-Brunswick. I hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you and have a great day.